With concern for the drought problem due to delayed seasonal rains, His Majesty dutifully made numerous observation visits to visit his subjects in the remote areas. It was along the Pukan Mountain Range on the 14th of November 1955, during His Majesty's Northeastern visit, where he observed the sky full of clouds, but somehow bringing no rain. Using his ingenuity, His Majesty set a goal to implement artificial rain, or cloud seeding. And in 1969, the London Department of Royal Rain was established. His Majesty's hands-on involvement in the project started from the inception of the idea to the research phase up to the first practical application on the 20th of July 1969 at Khao Yai National Park, Nakhon Ratchasima Province. It generated immense joy and limitless gratitude among not only the officials involved in the launching the project, but also among his subjects, who will greatly benefit from his generosity.